I will never drink alcohol again.
Okay.
Like, I will never drink alcohol again. I don't care what it is in any way, shape, or form.
Chase, what do you got?
Innocent people don't feel that they need to tell you that they will self-administer some kind of punishment and that they've learned a lesson. And you see that here. I'm never going to drink alcohol again for the rest of my life. In the back of her mind, this is not a conscious process. In the back of her mind, she's going, well, if she knows that I've kind of learned a lesson from this, I'll just head home after this is over with. Mark, what do you got?
Yeah, you got there first again. I'm afraid, Chase. I will never drink again. And then it says there, punishment.
Yep.
So I totally agree. She's punishing. She's displaying that she's already punished herself. I'm never going to drink again. We can all go home now. Done and dusted.
If you like this video, get the full body language breakdown and analysis on our main channel by clicking this video right here.
Again.